a lone wolf, makes her way through the valley she's known her whole life. Here she hunts, howls, and raises her young, just as her ancestors had done, since the last ice age, far beyond human reach. Today, hunger drove her to a cache site, where she chewed on buried bits of meat from an old kill. It's all she's got access to. And there are at least 2 reasons she really needs to eat. 2 pups are waiting at the den. Wolf pups are born deaf and blind. At about 1 month old, they're still dependent on mum's milk. A note on the air catches her attention. Her pups are hungry. With a few bites of food in her belly, Mum hurries home. Her pups must put on 2 to 3 pounds